This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Josh Parnell. Don't miss this beautifully updated home in lovely Sylvan Lake neighborhood. Stunning renovated kitchen 2018 with white shaker-style cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and hardwood flooring. Fantastic open floor plan with vaulted ceilings, hardwood floors, and gas fireplace. First floor bedroom and bath in addition to 3 guest bedrooms upstairs and much more. Updates include roof and skylights 2013, front door and transom window 2015, Hvac 2015. 3-ton variable speed air handler and 15 seer heat pump for first floor, 2-ton and 14 seer heat pump system for second floor, back door with a sliding glass door in 2016, gas line run for grill and gas fireplace in 2018, 80-gallon H2O heater 2020, sprinkler system and well 2019 and much more. For more information, review the details below.